Everybody want a piece of Donna name. Everybody want a piece of Donna name. All the enemy them want a piece of Donna name. Them live on Donna name. Everybody want a piece of Donna name. Everybody want a piece of Donna name. But make them love call Donna name so. All the enemy them love call Donna name. The way them go on, like them now, watch Donna. Them shouldn't even think about calling Donna name. But everybody want a piece of Donna name. Everybody want a piece. Speak my mind family, what's up? Me think that the pie they done share out, eat out and done. Like oh this a girl are done. Me think the pie of Derrick did done and share out and done about. But it coming like true, she take one cheap flight come to Jamaica, go up and two look rafting down a country, make it look like she dey on big vacation. After all these money where you say you make over the cake season, a Jamaica won't downgrade so much you no choose to fly come for vacation because of the cheapest destination. Alright. Look where you go rafting, you could even go live and show your hotel where you're in. Because you never done nowhere suitable. And a Jamaica, which is the cheapest destination, you choose to come. But at the same time, you couldn't live like a luxury life. But when other people take them good money where them work hard for and go live them luxury life, wanna criticize, I wanna find all kind of fault. People, wanna come here, draw a chair. Wanna draw a chair. Cause nasty tea girl like to be seen. All when nobody no see her, she just like to be seen. And then pretend like say she not do nothing at all. And she mind her own business. And she not have no time for careless people when she is the careless person. People, you don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe to this channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button, go ahead and hit it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, please go over there and subscribe. Go see the different sides of me. Go over there, go watch your little newscast. If you're in the diaspora, you don't know where I go on to Jamaica, I'm going to look light. Drama, indoor, outdoor cooking, entertainment. And we have like a mature talk at times over there where we talk in a parable. So if you're a Christian and you hide and go on the bed and a dugu, we can talk. Picnic can come side of you. Family oriented channel. So go subscribe. Life is a Mission TV. People, me hear this girl always say she educated. Cause me always have to use this, you know. We say she educated. But you cannot be educated and every crap you hear, you jump on it and try to fix it and twist it. When it is evident to everybody, we wanna say duns. So we not chat foolishness. You understand what me I say? This woman come out now because she's so late that she come and she hear about the Derrick Saga. And she jump on it and she pick it up. And she claim to say, I same so we do her and I same so with this. But we can't. Oh no, she not hear nobody come out for the people, them, the young people, them, because the people, them over Instagram and TikTok, they will eat you raw. No elder person who over YouTube and Facebook not afraid of no young boy or no young girl or no young, no make me no draw me out. We not afraid of nobody over TikTok or Instagram. The same amount where them have cut crossway for chat are the same one we have cut crossway for chat. Some of way back might broad and some of way back might small. You understand? So no more than we. If a company you look for come fight your battle, it not going to work. Because you go to TikTok and them tired for dash your way over there. Nasty teen girl, you may attack. You go TikTok and then tired for dash your way and mud you over there and slide you over there. You understand? So if you come out and look defense for TikTok, young people them come out and Instagram, young people them come out to come cuss see you and help you war or try for disgrace. Cause you got talk about, hear nobody come out for them yet and them come out for Donna and this and that. In the month how we come out for it. How you did there? Which part of Jamaica you did there do your vacation? You did live in the twin sister cave, so you never hear or know nothing. You never pick up no signal. People who no listener.
They tried everything. They came after my business. They scratched up my car. They flattened my tires. They did all sort of shit. So how come everybody quiet now? Oh, it's a different person. Them know so that person they don't play. They know that person's followers don't play. So everybody quiet. Everybody catch them free and quiet.
What kind of followers Derrick have when you play? More than people who are clown him out, fish him out, swim him out and all kind of sitting. You understand? Use him to make $1 and all kind of sitting. What kind of followers him have? Yes, him numbers might high over TikTok or whatsoever, but him not have nobody to come stand up and defend him like that. Him get mud all over in a social media. You understand? Derrick get mud all over in a social media, and the same people them where you are expect to come defend him and then same one and mud him. Them only take the opportunity, the few will come out, come try to defend him against 99. Is to make money half of him and the whole scenario. Because why? A 99 name involved. If you, nasty T girl, did come out and say Derrick hungry and Derrick shaky and all the bad things about Derrick, nobody would have paid you no mind but probably Derrick. Because you don't have no name. Nobody no know you. Your name now carry no weight. Your name can't make no money. Because if it can't make none for yourself, all others are going to make it off for you. You don't have no weight in social media. So all of what Donna say, you could have said worse and nobody no look at you. So that's the only reason why whosoever come out and a chat off them mouth, it's just clout them looking. Them just a look a hype over the situation, after the situation. To see if them can turn 2 shilling. That's all. Nothing more.
The bullies are silenced. That's weird. The bullies are silent.
Look how much how we come out, come chat. And where you there? As me ask her which part of Jamaica you spend your vacation, not the Twin Sister Cave.
Bigger bad people about the place. Bigger bad people. Wow. Same thing happened to me. The same thing them do to me. The only difference is that I didn't have I have the bucketive like where the guy have, the TikTok guy have. Yeah, so everybody come out for I don't have them type of bucketive there for the TikTok guy, like the TikTok guy. So pretty much, you know what I mean?
Derrick now have no bucketive when none of you over here we say Planka Nation afraid of. None. No bucketive we afraid of.
Same thing. This is not new. Y'all seen it play over and over again. It's not new. The same tactic they use to tear my business down. Same thing. The minute you cannot be controlled, the minute you cannot be. You see, like all me now, in a no group thing and you can't run my head. That's what's gonna happen.
No. Hold on there. You know, in a no group thing, how much time you try for in a group thing? But 2 years a groupie. You find so you can't stay in a group thing. You understand? Because it's a groupie. So them accept you in, but you not stay long. The amount of group you try farm, the amount of group you try join. You understand? But what? Everybody know who you is. Even the same set of people them, where you and them are fight against a certain individual, them know who you is. And that's why you and them couldn't agree. And that's why you and them couldn't stay together. You understand? Because the two set of one go on like one is bully. And 2 bull can't reel in a 1 pen. You understand? You go on like you're a bully, them go on them a bully. So basically, if you said this and you decide to stand by this and them say no, it's not going to work. So the 2 are going to bully no one another. You understand? Yes, man. So you try a lot of group. Don't bother talk about you in a group.
You know? If they see you out there making money without them, they come after you. Because they feel like you should be a part of whatever it is that they're a part of. And the minute you decide not to be a part of it, then they come after you. And it's the same tactic they use with the guy over there on TikTok. I won't do that, Burgess. I will not.
Listen.
I will not do that, Marion. I already apologized to my followers.
They don't said them and pretend like them right. Listen to them. Content them a look.
I will never do that again. You know, life has taught me a lot, and I already apologized to my followers. You know, but I just wanted you guys to know that it's the same thing that was done to me, and which is why I had to fight all those years. You know, because the same thing that they did to the TikTok guy, where they tried to tear him down because he was trying to make his money selling whatever, his stuff. because he was making, you know, it's a...
That's all they do. Go around and try to seek company. Try to side with people because you want people to come side with you. Because them feel like say you pick up for them. Poor them no know say. You just try to use them to achieve what you want. You understand? That's all you do. But people only listen right here, so. I mean, don't know who they're not tear down.
Same thing with me. Same thing with me. Same thing with me. The minute you don't want to be controlled or be a part of whatever, they come after you. I just want you guys to know that's how they work. Okay? That's how they work. You understand me? But that the person on TikTok has more back at it, so they couldn't play with the person on TikTok. They couldn't play with him.
You know, remember in the days when Inspector walked with Kane?
Yes.
Me a social media inspector.
You notice everybody's quiet now.
With them
Everybody
booba booba,
quiet.
with them
Y'all
ya.
so quiet. Come
With
on.
them booba
Y'all
booba,
don't want to
with
fight
them
back,
ya.
no?
With them booba
But
booba.
y'all want to bully people like me because y'all feel like I'm a weak fence. So how come nobody's fighting back, the gentleman on TikTok? How come? Not cool. Y'all bully.
What you want to see? A physical? And that you want to see? Is a physical thing you want to see? You them not to rush Derrick physically. Not to mention him follow. You know I run down Derrick with a phone and him gone. Start ball like a puss kitten. If you just back out your phone and say, see me, Derrick, him gone. So if I physically attack, you don't need to do that to Derrick. You understand? You're that cruel if you want to see that happen to Derrick. And Derrick followers them. It's just the same thing. So when you go say, why not seen, or if not this Tara not, Barasara not? What more you want people to do? Look how much people has come out with this old Derrick Saga and speak them mind and talk. What else you want to see? You want to see Backland Stone at show? You want to see people analyze over social media cascas? And that you want to see? And that you want to see if you please yourself? And that you want to see if you feel satisfied? And that you want? Oh. Because it seems like, as me say, when you did there at Jamaica, it seems like during a little time when you come at Jamaica, come spend a few little days. It look like the twin sister cave you did in. So you never pick up no signal on your phone for you follow social media. So now that you come here, play catch up. But your catch up now go work, paper go burn you. You understand? Your catch up now go work, paper go burn you. Because see there, your catch up and mislead you already. Because you don't spend no time to do no proper research and find out who and who come out for Derrick and Derrick quab them will come out for him, but pretending like a him them a come out for when it's just to use the story to make money on them platform. You understand? It's just to use Derrick's story to make a money on them platform. Them not come out for Derrick like from them heart them come and defend Derrick because they know the lady never say nothing bad. They know that. You think them don't know? But it's just so squabble people stay. Them always want to in a squabble. And for you always want to in a squabble, you are squabble people. Just like you will come now and try end up in a squabble where you like what you always do.
Who you feel is a weak fence. And that's not cool. That's not cool at all. You know? Not cool. I'm shocked how everybody's so quiet.
Our phone lose signal on America, the phone can't work. It couldn't work at Jamaica. And that's why she don't know where I'm going. You don't see with her.
Oh boy. Yeah, man. That's what's up.
First of all, let me make this clear to you, T-girl. People come out for who come out in defense of Derrick more than how them come out for Derrick were involved in the situation. Because we don't understand Derrick. So he has been pushed just like how you go around and push people also. You understand? For do and say things. And pay the weak set of people, them are weak, want to know in a needs and wants, want to pay them a little box food, a little $50 US, $30 US, and them come out, come do things where them want to do. So I want to push them to do things. You understand what I say? So all of those people who come out in defense, so-called defense of Derrick, the hot water throw upon them more than people throw it off of Derrick. So where you say, me don't know where you come here say a chat say. What was the research you do since you come back from Jamaica to find out who go at who from who not go at who? Eh? Look at you. You come back with some, you always depend your life, oh, look how much things is going on in the world. And it's all about this, that, and you sit down and talk about the platform and you can't take on the platform when you are doing the same thing. You just left Jamaica now. You couldn't come on your platform for even 1 week, come tell people after not coming to Jamaica for so long. For probably nearly 9 months now, and you go rafting. You couldn't come and tell the people them about the rafting and how good the guys are and how interested it is to going down the Rio Grande and all those stuff. You couldn't come and tell the people them that. Some positivity about Jamaica where you come experience in the few days where you're there. You couldn't come tell the people them about the Twin Sister Cave and advise them when you come here, remember your phone won't work because when you go into the Twin Sister Cave, you lose signal. Because most signal you did lose, make you never know where you're going with the Derrick Saga and how much people come out against who and who come out against who. You understand? You could have come on your platform, come tell the people them all those good things, man. Instead of you come and jump on something you don't know nothing about because it involved 99. You understand? Because it involved 99. What the as me say when me hear Rosalie say when the whole body good saga that are the next TikToker where them find a road and alive. And them say Derrick look like him involved allegedly because him and Derrick did have something and Derrick threatened him. And Rosalie come out and she say what she say and talk what she say and all the rest of people them talk what she say. Why you never come out in defense or anything and say what you say and talk what you say? 299. The 2-9 heavyweight champion. Fight night. Donna versus the world. Fight night. Donna versus the world. Yes, man. What a strong black woman.
Supposed to happen.
One after the other.
Stop bullying people.
I will stand up strong same way.
Stop bullying people. Stop tearing people down. It's not cool. The monkey know which tree for climb. That's true. Monkey know which tree for climb. Yeah? Where is the sledgehammer? Where's everybody? Nobody coming out fighting for no? Oh no, Frederica, the young people would name them alive. That's what it is. That's what it is. The young people them would dirt them in a good way on TikTok. Yeah. So they know who for frightened. They don't know who for frightened.
Move and keep moving, man. Obey the law. Move and keep moving before we arrest you. Move, girl, and keep moving.
Wow.
Obey the law. I give you instruction to move and keep moving. All right.
Bottle of water, like, okay, let's see what they're gonna say to these young people. Let's see how they're gonna fight back. And everybody is silent. But I remember quite well that's the same thing y'all did to me.
Company, y'all look, man.
Believe I'm a weak fence. Y'all just went in. Yes, Nardia. Y'all just went in and went in. Y'all went in and would dig the knife deeper and deeper. So much so that y'all started making skits out of me to tear my business down.
So look how much skits you make from people.
Work, y'all went after my children.
99 never ever make a skit pan you. I never see 99 make a skit pan you. And the amount of skit you make pan 99. The people that will make skit pan you, you not make so much skit pan them. The amount right now me have something on my phone and my screenshot. Some kind of disgraceful thing and bad tasting thing where you put up against the woman cake and write against the woman cake. Pan your platform. And what the amount of them having on my phone, because I say I want to have them have evidence sometime when I do a certain video where I can show because I don't want it to look like me I tell lie upon you. How what them going on my phone and I say, I don't need them here, you know. Where's the Christmas season done? I just clear them out. The amount of bad posts where you make on the woman product. So you come about skit. You go in a hog pen, you expect to go back up and fall. You go in a hog pen, you go and back up and hog. So if you come as a hog, you know, say you go back up and hog, you're going to stay as a hog and fight as a hog. And the better hog win. Don't come out here come cry to nobody. We not half and a dribble and a sweep and a soda out here. You understand? This is not a baby infirmary. This is not a creche. This is not children hospital. This is not Jubilee. So you come and hog fight, you just fight as a hog and the winner be the winner, man. Don't come out here come cry when you lose like you wasn't a fighter. You come to fight and you lose. Accept you're losing. Come man, chat man. You sit down and think what you say.
Sad. We got to the point where people were attacking people's kids on here. I will, Marion. Thank you.
It now come to her fluently, so she just sit down and I read imaginary comments. Because what she plan to say?
They're saying that he was. They think he was stupid. They think he was stupid. They think he didn't have any followers.
What kind of business Derrick have that people want to tear down? Eh? What kind of business Derrick have Donna do want to tear down? After Donna encouraged him so much.
They saw him as somebody who's beneath them, you know? Because that's how they view everybody who's not them. Everybody who's not them, they view them that way, including myself. They feel like I'm beneath them because of my past. So I was the ideal person to attack. It's the same thing they did to me in 2019 out of nowhere. Just start shading me about my pudding pods. Whoa. My pudding pods. So people couldn't buy my puddings. My cakes.
Where the cow dunk there? A lie. Cow dunk can make millions.
Actually, Kelly Walker, you're wrong.
Cow dunk can make
you haven't
millions.
been sitting here the entire time listening to what I'm saying. Where were you in 2019, Kelly Walker? Where were you in 2019 when I first got my kitchen? When I just started my business? Where were you, Kelly Walker? Did you just join the bandwagon in 2021, 2022? Well, Kelly Walker, I hate to bust your bubble, baby love, but my business started in 2019, and that's when the nonsense started. Okay? When I came out with the pudding pods. Oh, no butter must go upon pudding pod. I never hear them foolishness there yet. Oh, them oven there got dry out cake. Oh, them oven.
Yes. And with 99 cents so, she just get up out of the blues and do it because she's this type of person who want to see no one strive in life. She's this type of person that don't want to see nobody better off in life. She's this type of person who don't want to see any good for anybody. I wonder how much percentage of who over this diaspora, both your supporters, non-supporters of 99, non-supporters of you, and who support 99. See Donna ever bring out that in no way, shape, nor form to nobody, not even our worst enemy. No, no, no. Can't sound see that in a 99. No, no, no. Both feminine, enemy, senemy, or denemy. No, no, no. Can't sound see that in her. Because this woman, the way her heart soft, all her worst enemy she wants to see the best for. All her worst enemy. And this is why her real strong supporters sometimes this goes with her and feel like they would have drape her up. You know, like when people, you know, people have all fits or some form of sickness and them drop and black out and you grab them up and you go bang, 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 bang. Just see them wake up. And so sometimes we feel like we want a whole 99. We want to drape her up tight up in her collar so. Yeah, man, we want to drape her up. And so one moment, you know, a full time for you understand yourself, you know. You know, sister, you make them at one like them take your feet there. Bang, bang, and cut her too. You know, solid one and say, boy, wake up. Are you in a coma? You're not seeing what's going on around you. Your heart too soft. So there is no way all for your followers them can come with them come and say that, man. Them cruel to them own self. All our enemy them she want to say good for. So wait, should have come out, just sub out your pudding pad. If you never criticize the woman product, what you do day in, day out, every season. that God send come. You sit down and wait and go up on your computer. You put the woman product on your computer and you shade it and you do what you want to make it look away, and then you type up and write what you want to write on it. And you come out to the famous talk cow donkey, you know. You forgot? And because I can't remember if I know the same thing where you do, why the woman come out and talk about you put the pad or whatsoever. And lot wife and all them something there, you know. So you go and like say the woman just get up out of the blues because you're so important. Remember, you know, you is not a threat to Donna, you know. Donna is a threat to you. So you is always going to be the aggressor. Because you make Donna be a threat to you. Because Donna live in a little Jamaica third world country and you live in America as a citizen. And you say you bake how long and you know your craft and you this and you tar and that. And the little woman who have no taste, you know, nothing at all what she do. Not even clothes, hairstyle, makeup, nothing what she do, she not have no taste. And just like how she not have no taste, I saw her Kate them not have no taste. But yet still, the damn bad no taste Kate them eat the world like storm. Eat the world like corona. You understand? And make you in a problem and misery. And you are the aggressor, not Donna. So I don't think Donna need to come out, come say nothing about you unless you say something about she and she feel like come out, come shade you. And she don't have much time for you. You understand? She don't have much time for you more than sometime when her heart full and she can't do no more and she want to make space because she know never come again, so she have to make space. Because she don't want it to run over in her. You understand? And go in her bloodline and make she turn just like Uno. So what she do, she have to let off some and create space for the what Uno go come with next. Because Uno always coming. So Uno are the aggressor. So she no need to come out, come through no word off Uno unless Uno mail her.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting there like...
You ever see Donna put up on your product on our platform yet?
Happening?
No. How much of Donna product you put up on platform and caption?
That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what started it.
I'm tired to highlight this girl here. And you see all of you know out there, some of them on this I watch too, you know, because some of them are followers and you can't help yourself but look and watch. And then you find certain platform who say Planka Nation more entertaining than she. Because you see she not real, you see she fake. You see someone over there will support her business, you tap support it. Anytime she start wear mask, you can start support back her business. You know see how this a girl mouth fly water like water gun. You know see how girl mouth fly water like sprinkler. Sometimes I wonder if she have a garden in front of her and I eat she a sprinkle. When the girl up on the phone and chat, mount of saliva just a fly from her mouth. I remember enough time when she up on her live, she a bake, a show, and she a chat because she have to interact with you, and she not have no mask. And the mount of spit, I remember them a girl mouth no good for morning, you know. Remember them a girl mouth a dance all mouth, you know. And back in the days when them could sit in there going, you know, so how at the so it start from in the dance and a fair time, you know. You understand? When woman a blow saxophone, you know. You understand? Woman a push candy down in her throat, you know. You understand? So for her mouth not that clean. And a whole heap of germs in her mouth decay. All of them the teeth there in her mouth if you come out and now come out all now. And of them the whole heap of saliva that fly down in a butter and mix cake and put no pad and all kind of sitting going on. I don't know any. Not until you see she start wear mask when she a bake. I can show you in this video I'm showing you about 3 videos already speak just fly out her mouth so. I mean I talk about little fine sitting, you know, some big old pebbles, you know. Big like some sitting big like them a mall, yeah. Them mall grain you fly out her mouth so no something where hide, you can't see it. At times, some of we attack and you know saliva fly, yes, but not so regular like she. And for a person who claims that she's a professional baker and she's not putting any mask over her mouth and love chat over the butter, it is not sanitary.
That nonsense, that same tactic, that same mannerism that was used on the gentleman over on TikTok was the same one that was used on me and everybody else who felt their wrath. The same tactic. The same tactic. Just come out and start speaking negatively about a person that you just pick up. Just pick up the person and then just come out and just start tear the person down. Just out of nowhere. Because the person started doing well. The person just started doing well. The person started doing well, and then here comes the fight. What up? The negative words. What up? Because they feel like if they do that, people will stop supporting. People will.
So, people are do well. Where Derrick are do well. Derrick take some advice, make some merge, and a hustle. Him come at 99 because him couldn't come at you and all that who attack to sell even 5 Ganzi. Whether uno are go buy it or uno are go make him get the sale. You understand? And him come, I don't know how much Ganzi 99 buy because I jump off of the live at one point. But I do know she buy. Him never have no size of she, but she buy. How much I only buy since then? I mean, no, she buy more than one, but how much I only buy since then? All I know we are come out in defense of Derrick. How much I only buy since then? None of uno. So uno no mean Derrick no good. I uno pocket uno a seek for. Uno pocket uno seeking for, not Derrick. You understand? And if Derrick just start sell 2 little t-shirts, we don't know great expensive, not no name brand nothing. And that I go bring him down for. Because him a do well. Him never start do well yet. Because I don't even think him did sell 20 Ganzi or 10 Ganzi since him reached Donna. Probably Donna was him first sale.
I'm supporting the individual on TikTok, or in my case, me. Come out and speak negative about the person, people will stop supporting the person. Not good.
So basically, you see what she trying to say? Donna do that, speak negative about him, which me not see which part of the negative did there, because it was all positive. It is all trying to help Derrick to uplift himself. So me don't know which part of the negative there. But put it the way where she say. You understand? Tell me what negative Donna did say. You can't tell me, people? Oh, I forgot something. You don't see me. Sorry, leave it in the comment and tell me. Alright? Left it in the comment and tell me.
That is so heartless. He deserve poor people food. The man on TikTok deserve for eat hunger poor people food. You see why there's a problem on social media? You see why there's a power struggle on social media?
Because one of the biggest problems on social media.
Newbies.
Because this is like a firelight how much days ago. And people try to talk about it and out it, and you come and blaze it up back. So you're one of the biggest fire on social media.
Look down on people. Now, what's humanitarian about that? Huh? But Chinese food are not food, baby. Chinese food, not even damn Chinese food. Chinese food are not food. Chinese food are not food, you know. Pizza are not food. But you know what that does? That exposes.
So, with that said, if so be the case, Chinese food is not food, pizza is not food, and if 99 I try to tell him, say, don't spend so much money in buying them type of food and whatsoever. And as I said, not knowing that the little spaghetti and whatsoever when go buy, no value more than 1,700. Like I said, there is so much little Chinese shop there around the place now. So-called Chinese shop there around the place now, but them a Chinese shop. And a be a nigga in them a cook. The Chinese only own it, but a nigga a cook. You understand? You find say Chinese food, as I say, is not like back in the days, like all in the 80s. When you want a Chinese food, and you know say boy, you have to have a little dollar. Might be cheaper than now, but the dollar, the rate, you understand? Right. So, with that said, what you just said a while ago, what wrong Donna did I tell him? Eh? Chinese food is not food. Pizza is not food. But 8 cedi I go spend $2,000, $800, $900 buy that. When you could have go buy one tin of mackerel, you have so much protein. So much protein. A tin of sardine and whip it up in some, raw in some pepper and some onion and sprinkle a little vinegar over it and eat all 2 tough crackers. That is even far better than a Chinese food or a pizza. Protein. What wrong? Donna did tell him. But you come out and say, Donna, you said this is no food. Don't go buy no Chinese no food. But she says you come now, I contradict yourself. How about tin mackerel she want him to go eat? Tin mackerel and a downgrade tin mackerel. You know what tin mackerel you send them when you're down at Tel Aviv? You know what tin mackerel you send them when you're at Dunkirk? When your mama couldn't find it, you're down at Barrow Street, down at the big old Whatmeland. The big yard capture land where your mama did live. With one big ton load of honey in the yard. No water running, proper running water no there. No proper sanitary toilet no there. You know what tin mackerel now? But you come a downgrade tin mackerel now. So you feel like you live a foreign and you have US citizenship.
What they lack, what she lacks. You know, it exposes the fact that she's not used to things, if you get what I'm trying to say. You remember growing up, if you lived with anybody who was less fortunate, and they used to put padlock on the fridge, and they used to tell you, don't go in there, they used to fight over a can of sausage, that type of thing. That's where she's coming from. That's sad. Not everybody grew up like that. Not everybody grew up fighting over a can of sausage. Not everybody grew up with their parents telling them they can't take that and them lock them put padlock on the fridge. Not everybody grew up like that. Not everybody grew up with the never.
Not everybody grew up like you. Come pretend like you come from a rich family. You come from a wealthy background because you live in America. Not everybody come out here come pretend and be fake like you. Just like how you're fake and you're fake. You understand? Not everybody come out here. People come out here come be themselves. Talk about that now. Talk about that.
A sit mentality. But the fact that she can look at something like pizza and think it's big food, or she can look at something as Chinese food and think it's big food.
Dumb ass. Not in quality. Not the food itself in quality, but the price that you're going to pay for it. And this one is speak value for where the woman there say, well, your chat say no. It is no quality, but it still. The price is high. But it still, it do nothing to you. You understand? So basically, what you are trying to say is crap. Because the woman is not talking about the food itself. She are talking about the sum that she is going to pay for the food. And for somebody who, needs so much help in life and live on handout, to speak, why get it at $5,000 today and you get $5,000 you want done it in a one day? People obligated out a road for you send money come give you just so. Or as you come out, come ball out say you want money. When you have $5,000 where you could have pick it and it serve you for a whole week until something else come. But what? It make it seem as if the people who are helping him and giving him something is obligated to him. So whenever time him get a thing, him not pick it. Him just squander it. And when him squander it, him expect to come on him life and boss say him hungry. Him not have the money to pay for the hotel for tomorrow. Cause after him come out tomorrow and him going to have to sleep out a door and him not trust them boy and they might gas him and they might this. Yes, sympathy. Because that is what him live off of. And this is what the woman I try to tell you. Tell him, now you. Calm down. Calm down. Spend wisely. Spend wisely. Simple that the woman I say. The same food where you say no food. Or each year tell him say no buy. You understand? Because it better go look after a little sardine, tin mackerel. More protein. And you save a lot. Can help yourself come from which part you're there right now. That's simple way the woman I say.
It tells you a lot about her upbringing and her mindset. Exposed her wide open.
You don't have no mindset at all.
You understand what I'm saying?
If you come and chat this and contradict yourself at the same time, you don't have no mindset. Your mindset unset.
So if the cameras weren't rolling when certain things was going down, what happened? What happened when the camera isn't rolling? Think about it. What happened when the camera isn't rolling? Doesn't it open your mind to think what happens when the camera isn't rolling? Because she's thinking that Chinese food,
beer, you want beer, you not got bathroom.
And pizza, a big food.
Beer.
Let me tell you something.
What? You not got beer?
I saw her.
When last you beer? You need to go beer, you know.
You remember? Oh man, this is so deep. I don't understand how you guys didn't see this. This is so deep.
Just want trim again.
You remember when people used to come to her gate? You guys, this shouldn't even be a shock to none of y'all. Come on. It shouldn't even be shocking. Because these are things, these behaviors have been playing out on her live for years now. It's just that it's different occasions, different people, different times. But these things have been playing out on her live all the time. When people used to come to her house and she used to run them like dog.
So hold on, let me ask you a question. People come to her house, she owe people obligation. For when them come to her, she will come out speaky spokey, so she a humanitarian. She will come out, come take all them crap, all them bullshit. She will come out, come take it. Me never know. I never know so she owe people obligation or people give her things to put on. Not even the donor them give her nothing to put on and say, okay, when someone comes, give them from this. Not even the donor them. The donor them send when the need is there to send. Them not send nothing to come put on. Like a Victoria Mutual or Scotia Bank or NCB. You understand? So she feel free for run anybody from her gate. Nobody a come at your gate? Do you have a gate to anybody come?
The one chicken that people used to get every Sunday, and they have to take a picture with the one chicken for them get. The one chicken and the one bag of rice for them get them.
Yes. For germs like you now have our name a jog and jog and jog with no evidence. You know, you can't jog our name without evidence. You understand? Not guilty until proven guilty. So we want them on the right side. So if it's even 3 grain of rice, we want to show it on camera. Because we don't want when you give you 3 grain of rice, you don't even know how the 3 grain of rice come about. But you feel like you should have get 10. And so you don't get 10, you go say 99, me get 10 grain of rice and she only give me 3, 99. Me get a pound of chicken and when me get the chicken, it's a whole of chicken it's supposed to be and me not see no wing pan it, the wing them fly off. So what we do? We draw off your phone. And we evidence that. If I never feel this a phone, never this a woman you draw off, you know. You bring her down long time, you know. What me say? If I never feel phone, you bring her down long time. Long times, you know that bring her down. But what? You can't come with no evidence where she can't counteract. You can't come with nothing where she don't have no proof. You say, see it, and so it go.
If you take a picture of the one chicken and the one bag of rice, you guys didn't see an issue with that? The one chicken and...
How did the woman program start? Our first donation, how did it start? When I get to the part, how it start where the woman did say, me I pay for the 2 cake and she got Miss Lebo and she got Miss Richie and the next woman I go get. When I talk, oh, make it start. How did it start? And so shall it start, so shall it end. Camera, our evidence. And before we make phone crash, Like how me hear one about she name produce about your 2 phone crash with all of your evidence. Before we make it cash, we get hard drive, soft drive, wet drive. You understand? All kind of drive and store the information them on it. We store it on laptop, flaptop and all kind of backtop. So when you don't feel like one crash, we can't sort that all of them crash like how produce a 2 phone crash with your evidence. Me don't know how she like so. All that 2 phone you have evidence in and 2 of them crash. I saw the driver did a drive fast.
1 bag of rice. And they have to take a picture holding the 1 chicken and the 1 bag of rice. And you guys saw no problem with that? That's dehumanizing. Very dehumanizing. So, this. Everything is grouped up. That's all her. Dehumanizing people who she believes is less fortunate. That's her across the board. This situation with the young man on TikTok.
Where's the evidence of Sherika $50? Where's the evidence of the money we collect to buy the piece of equipment for the school? Where's the money we collect and say you go buy cupcake machine? Where's the evidence? Where's the cupcake machine? Where's the receipt of you selling Sherika that $50? Where is the receipt of you buying that equipment and give to the school that you said you're going to buy where you collect the people their money? Where is all that receipt? Ask Donna if you are one them and say she not show you. Ask her.
With Derrick on TikTok, it should be nothing surprising to you.
LPR looking at woman.
It's been happening in front of your eyes.
Derrick might just come bunny out. You wait, you go on.
She's getting support.
Derrick might just come bunny out to the same woman where you try getting to tie up with.
How she called me mentally ill and made a mockery out of it.
I don't know how Donna just respond for your mind, so Donna just dep on your mind, dep on your mind. Every day you get up and talk about Donna all the time. Because Donna just dep on your mind.
She's been making a mockery out of people she deems to be beneath her ever since she started her rise to fame. This is nothing new. These behaviors have been playing out for years.
Get piece of rope if it burn you so much, man, and get you to your own problem.
The mockery of mentally ill people? Y'all don't remember those? Why are you surprised about the gentleman on...
People, as me say, you see, I wonder if she have a bathroom scale. And how often she check her weight. Because she's supposed to lose a lot of weight day by day just because of Donna, you know. She's supposed to lose weight drastically. Like, you know, she have diabetes or sugar or some form of problem. Or, you know, the big C where them say make you lose weight quick. Yes. You need a bathroom scale. So each time you go bathe at even time, if you do bathe, because sometimes you look so cranny, the only time you look good, you know, is when you go do your ear, you know. And them time that when the ear tired and a beg for help. Mayday, 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 mayday. Ear under distress, ear under distress, mayday. At them time then you go fix up and you come out and you for 2 or 3 days. Like you're hot. Probably on them time they you bathe. Because you ever look cranny and go on like say you're hatters. You're batters, not hatters, you're batters.
Shoshana, is that her name? The man under the bed? We're yet to see that video of the man under the bed. Where's the man under the bed? We're yet to see that video. Where is it? But she told her 7,000 viewers.
What a way you don't know what someone did upon the live that day there with the Rasta jadis. No sir. What a fene. Miss Squall squeeze me.
These
Miss
people
Squall squeeze me.
These people that she
a woman that say me Tunia squeeze me, but my Squall squeeze me.
Entertainment. These people she exploited were just entertainment. It's nothing new. You guys really believe she has a heart? It's nothing new. That gentleman just came in last. And he has a bucketive. She tried it with the wrong person. The other victims had no bucketive.
Who is a wrong person? Derrick have any strength? Followers is different from supporters. What kind of strength Derrick have? Followers is different from supporters. Derrick now no strength, man. All of who you see run behind Derrick and a chat. Them a use Derrick name for put money in them pocket. Not seriously, from the heart, have a problem with what Donna say. But because of Donna say it can create content for people gravitate to them platform and listen to earn. And that's exactly what they're doing. You supposed to be the only person right now still at talk about this Saga. Yeah. Because it not earn no money right now. It's still out. But true you late. And as I say, if I never 99, you won't come out. But you have to come out, come say something, you couldn't make it pass. You understand? And you not get your facts right. Because as I say, it come like the two sister cave there stay, where you not get no signal on your phone. So you never did keep up with what go on. Alright? But I'm sorry for you. You need a brain scan. You need to go see if any tumor or where you want to call it on your brain. Your brain has grown excess fat. You need to go check yourself. Go get a brain scan. Because 99 boy, I tell you, make your brain work overtime. When it should work overtime in your business, would have put you somewhere. Your brain working overtime for 99 now putting away. You know, see 99 come like a dock ship then waiting on you. And you still can't reach. Remember, you know, the ship dock and wait for you to come to play catch up. And when you look, the ship just a drift away from you. And the anchor down. And the ship just a drift away and the engine no start. So judge if the engine start. So how you go size up? You can't size up, man. Wise up and stop size up. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. You know what they do. They do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button, go ahead and hit it now. And if you're over here and subscribe and you have not yet subscribed to my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel, go do so now. Please and thanks. Remember the Cash App pin in the comment section, $ Life is a Mission TV. You ask for it, I give it to you. You give me, I take the gift and give back to somebody else. This month end, I was planning on giving back again to the students, but because you're going to have the midterm break, and you don't know money go, and you want the money to do what you know, allocate it to do, and give people money in a midterm there when school get there, they go spend otherwise, and probably a school start but the picnic can't go to school. So I want to do a bond drive. You understand? Whether a dollar come or a dollar not come, it's going to do from the little I get from social media. It's going to do from the little I get from what I get from YouTube a month time. It's just that if you come on board and you give me, if me can afford to give 5, probably me can make it up and give another 5 more and make 10. You're not obligated to send nothing come. Despite that, you ask the Cash App. You understand? You're not obligated kind of charity me I run. A gift you give me because you like me, you like the drama, make you feel happy, make you feel nice. All kind of things at your workplace, your yard, all kind of sit me a ball out, boss, all what happened to you. Co-work, all that. Where you all suffer? Yes, man. And you feel like give me with a 50 cent, a 10 cent, a quarter, a dime? Yes. I take the gift and give back to the needy, not the greedy. So I want to do a little bond drive for the Easter instead of give student this month because of the midterm. You know, and with a box of like, you know, not the regular box milk, but the 100% milk with the Island Dairy milk. Yes. The one where you don't have to refrigerate. I think you have to do it when you pull it, you have to refrigerate it after you pull it, but it can stay on the shelf without going to the fridge if it don't pull. Yes, that's my plan. And it's not no charity. And as I say, if you say nothing to come, because if you don't say no dollar come, you still go see it go on from the liquor when me get come, I do it from my heart. Bless upon yourself. Remember the Young Entrepreneur College student, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Link of our YouTube channel is in my comment section. Also pin. Give her a subscription. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.